Hey stars, I am back with something so beautiful, something so sumptuous, something so unique, so magical for my oldies. Hey lucky stars, welcome back to the channel. My name is Somto, and if this is the first time you're coming across me, hey love, how are you doing? It is so lovely that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? I promise you on this channel I have a lot of fun, gorgeous, unique, beautiful, magical, just go on, short haircuts and hairstyles for my black queens, and a lot of other fun stuff. I have beauty transitions that I do myself. So you want to see me, I'm not much active on my long form videos, but want to see me, go to my shorts. I have a lot of things to keep you entertained and glued to your screen, and trust me, you are going to love these videos, okay? But most importantly, I bring the most beautiful short haircuts ever, the most beautiful, and the trendiest, the newest. I have them, I bring them here on this channel. So please do well to stay, okay? Click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get updates whenever I upload a new video. I upload new videos every single week, so please do well to stay tuned, okay? Stars, in today's video I bring the most beautiful and unique short hairstyles and haircuts for my older black queens, for my gold. You guys know how much I love my gold. My older black queens are my gold. My older black queens are my black queens from 35, from 40, 35 and above. I love these women, okay? I love my black queens, but you see these ones, they are my gold. I don't play with them. So whenever I see something unique, I make sure to bring it for you, my oldies. Sirs, in today's own I have PIXIE and I have tapered. It's just mainly both PIXIE and tapered, okay? And trust me, these ones are stunning. They are beautiful. You are gonna love these ones, okay? So I'm just gonna stop talking so much and let you watch the video. For stars, please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment. I'd like to know which of these short hairstyles and haircuts was your favorite in the comment section. Please share this video, okay? Make my older black queens feel like the gold they are, because truly they are pure gold. My goldies are pure gold, okay? Okay guys, till my next video, I will speak to you all. Bye loves. Mwah.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.